Our topic for Maths Week is Production of Paper Products from Waste of Herbivores by Akshat and Vanya of 8P.
A team of scientists from the University of Vienna has discovered a process which involves extracting grass and hay fibers called cellulose from manure, is simple, inexpensive, and uses less energy and fewer chemicals than the top-down method of grinding wood into pulp. The few animals that we can extract fiber from are horse, donkey, elephant, panda, and some breeds of cows. This is an image of paper made from elephant dung.
To make this type of paper, we have to follow 6 steps. Step 1. Collecting. Elephant waste fibers are collected from some of the many elephant sanctuaries and parks. Fibers from other animals such as cows, horses, buffaloes, donkeys, etc. can come from many farms, dairies, and stables in the region. All these materials are abundant locally, and in many cases, removal of the waste material is helpful and welcome. The average yearly salary of a laborer is 16,775 dirhams per year. This income includes housing, transport, insurance, and other benefits.
2. Cleaning. Cleaning and boiling are important stages in the paper making process. All non-fiber materials such as pebbles, dirt, mud, leaves, etc. are removed as much as possible at this point so that all that remains is actual fiber material. The fibers are then boiled for 4 to 6 hours. The boiling process occurs at 90 to 100 degrees Celsius in order to ensure that any bacteria are destroyed by extreme heat. The cleaning and boiling processes use only water. Therefore, after cleaning and boiling the fibers, the wastewater can be reused to boil more fibers or used to nourish trees and flowers. The average amount of water used to clean and boil the fibers is approximately 2 gallons of water, which costs 0.06 EV according to Deva. This is an image of the cleaning process.
Step 3. Mixing. The next step is to thoroughly mix and blend the pulp fibers together with other available non-wood fiber pulp, which allows us to make a stronger, well-bonded sheet of paper. These non-wood fibers may include corn stalks, pineapple husks, hay, banana tree trunks, mulberry bark, etc. The mixing and blending process further transforms the raw pulp into a stringy stew mixture. The cost of the machine is 100 dirhams according to the pupupaper.com.
This is an image of the mixing process. Step 4. Coloring. Once mixed and blended, coloring may be added to the off-white mixture. The process uses food coloring to achieve dozens of different colors. At this point, the pulp is removed from the mixing reservoir and formed into round balls. The water is drained from the mixing reservoir and can be used again for the next batch or used to water surrounding vegetation. The approximate cost of food coloring is 1.85 AED. This is an image of the coloring process.
Step 5. Screening. Screening is the process of making the sheets of paper using a frame screen. The pulp mixture is poured into a large sink filled with water where a frame screen is already submerged. The paper maker catches the sinking pulp fibers with the frame screen and then manually spreads the fibers evenly across the entire surface of the screen. The fibers are evenly spread and any small particles are removed by hand. The approximate amount of water needed is 1 gallon, which costs 0.03 AED according to Deva.
This is an image of the screening process. Step 6. Drying. The screens lay facing the sun for several hours until the pulp has dried. Once dry, a supply of freshly made sheets of poop paper is removed from the screens. There is no cost for the drying process as the paper is being dried by sunlight. This is an image of the drying process.
Advantages. We don't need to cut down trees to make this paper.
It is a more sustainable option.
It can recycle old paper by mixing old paper into the mixture of color and poop.
It can be used the same way as paper made from trees.
It is cost efficient.
It is less time consuming to produce.
The poop that one elephant produces in one day can make 115 sheets of paper.
This is a table showing the cost of the different steps. Book paper can be made to a wide variety of products, from journals and notepads to photo albums and greeting cards. The number of products we can make is large. Thank you.